Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, we're in the month of December, Christmas season. So I want you guys to look out for all sorts of Christmas recipe for me, alright? I'm gonna be doing my black cake, my fruit cake, my sponge cake, my vanilla cake, my carrot cake. I'll be doing a lot of baking. And also I'll be making like my pepper pot, my garlic pork, my Christmas rice, my baked chicken, curry duck, puri. I have so much recipe for this month for you guys, alright? So keep on watching. So make sure you guys subscribe and put on your notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? I was gonna do video every day in December, but I don't think I can do it, but I'll try my best, alright? I was gonna do the Vlogmas, but I'm not sure, but I'll try my best to get out all these videos for you guys, alright? Well, in today's recipe is gonna be a simple Guyanese red peas soup. You know, nearly every week I always making a soup because I love drinking soup on a weekend. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious soup, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up, alright? And please subscribe to my channel, and again click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, alright? This soup is made of red peas and I use beef and chicken foot in this soup, alright? So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese red pea soup, alright? So look out for my other videos coming up this week, alright? Here's my ingredients. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys one other thing, and don't forget to check out my playlist, alright? I also have a soup playlist, so you guys can check out that soup playlist and you can see all the different type of soup that I previously made, alright? And you guys can check out my other videos on my playlist as well. Let's run those numbers up. Thank you. Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some red pea soup. So our ingredients are, we have a pack of the ramen soup, mustard hot sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, all-purpose seasoning. We have some chicken foot here, and we also have some beef, alright? So this is our red peas here. We have 2 cubes, grated garlic, grated ginger. And this is our provision here. We have some sweet potato, cassava, and Irish potato. And over here we have some chopped up onions, carrots, celery, and shallot. So I just put on my pressure pot. So we're gonna you're gonna put our split peas now into the pot. Already washed it, and also you're gonna put your beef into the pot. So you're gonna pressure it, and we'll be back. So now we're gonna season up our chicken foot. So we have some all-purpose seasoning here. Sorry, chicken seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, and some mustard hot sauce, and you're gonna put in a little bit of ginger and mix it up together. Okay guys, so my chicken foot been marinated for like a half an hour, so you're gonna fry up the chicken foot now. Fry it up about 3 to 4 minutes without a cover, and then you're gonna cover it for about another 5 minutes. So we'll be back. So it has been frying up for about 3 minutes without a cover. So we're gonna do now, you're just gonna pour a little water, and then you're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so my chicken foot finished cooking. It's not fully cooked, it's like 3/4 way cooked, but it's gonna cook in the soup. So I'm gonna turn off my stove, and as soon as my red peas finish brushing my beef, I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so my peas just finished brushing with my beef. So I'm gonna pour it over into this pot here that I was frying up my chicken foot in. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so in the pot here we have our red peas and the beef. So we're gonna put in our provision now. So you're gonna put in our provision here. And I didn't show you guys earlier, but I'm also gonna put in some ripe plantain. And you're gonna pour some more water into your pot. And you're gonna flavor it now. You're gonna put in 2 cubes. Some grated garlic, grated ginger, and we have some carrots, onion, shallots, and celery. So I'm gonna put that into your pot. And we're also gonna put 1 Wiri pepper. And you're gonna mix it up together. This pot is a little small, but it's gonna work. Alright, and you're gonna let this boil for about 20 minutes to half an hour. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my soup has been boiling for about 15 minutes. So it still have to boil about 20 more minutes. But I'm gonna put in my chicken foot now, because the chicken foot already cooked halfway. So I'm gonna put in the chicken foot. So this soup is mixed with beef and chicken foot. So we're gonna let it boil for another 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so while my soup is boiling there, I'm gonna make some dumplings. So we have some flour here. So you're gonna put in your butter. And you're gonna mix the butter now into the flour. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished mixing up the butter into the flour. So you're gonna put in some sugar now. And you're gonna mix the sugar now into the butter and flour. And then you're gonna pour some water and make like a soft dough. Alright, so we'll be back. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna mix the dough into like a round ball or whatever shape you want. Just pinch a piece like this, and then you roll it. Alright, and you just form your balls. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see, I had to use this other pot because it was boiling over. So what you're gonna do now, this is the chicken the soup packet. So I put that inside, and also I'm gonna put in the noodles as well. Alright, break it up. And you put it, and you mix it up, and you put it, just stir it up a little bit. Alright? And you're also gonna put in your dumplings. Alright? So, you see my dumplings there? I'm gonna put them in like different parts of the pot. And pour your dumplings inside. Alright, I'll let it boil for about 10 to 15 more minutes and it's all done. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my soup is finished here. So I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see. Alright, so we'll be back. So delicious. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese red peas soup. And the soup have chicken foot and it also have beef. Alright, and for provision we have ripe plantain, sweet potato, Irish potato, and cassava. Alright, so this is my soup here guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I'm going to taste my soup now so you guys can see. As you can see, all the steam there is very hot. It just came out of the stove. So I'm going to taste it. Wow, tastes really good guys, really good. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Alright, take care, bye.